I'm about to blow your wrist-sized mind with all the things your Apple Watch Series 10 can secretly do. 1. Music detection plus smart stack magic. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and Microphone and toggle on music detection. Now when a song plays near you, boom, your Apple Watch knows. Swipe into your smart stack and you'll find a Recognize Music widget just vibing there, ready to ID the track. And here's the kicker. Tap the 3 dots, AirPlay, and choose Apple Watch. You're now playing your jam straight from your wrist like a tech-savvy spy. Podcasts, audiobooks, anything. Change watch ringtone. You've changed your phone ringtone since 2007. Now it's time your watch got the memo. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics and Ringtone. Choose something fresh. While you're there, turn up haptics to prominent for a proper wrist buzz. Because tiny taps just don't cut it. 3. Depth plus water temperature tracking. Jump into a pool or dive into the ocean, and your Apple Watch Series 10 flips into dive mode automatically. Use the new Depth app. Scroll the digital crown to preview it. Records depth plus water temperature in real time. 4th, track your golf or tennis swing. Like a pro, use the Golf Shot app or similar. Thanks to advanced motion sensors, your watch tracks wrist rotation, impact plane, swing velocity. Basically, it turns you into Serena or Tiger Woods, data-wise at least. 5. New focus mode. Reduce interruptions. You're deep in study, gym, or stealth mode. Use the Reduce Interruptions. Focus mode. Swipe Control Center, tap Focus, and select Reduce Interruptions. Customize duration like other focus modes. Apple Intelligence will decide what deserves your attention. Sorry, spam calls. 6. Ticking second hand on always-on display. This one's slick. Thanks to LTPO tech. Watch faces like reflections, flux, analog, and activity digital now show real-time second-hand movement even in ambient mode. The clock isn't just telling time, it's showing off. 7. Transcribe voice memos automatically. Start by recording a voice memo right from your watch. This allows you to effortlessly capture those fleeting moments of creativity. After your walk, grab your iPhone and open the Voice Memos app. Simply tap the quotation icon, and voila! You'll have a transcription of your spoken words at your fingertips. It's as easy as copy and paste, turning your spontaneous thoughts into written poetry in no time. 8. Use check-in for safety. Embrace a new level of safety with the check-in feature, designed to give you peace of mind while you're out and about. There are 2 convenient methods to check in with your loved ones. In Messages, tap plus, check in, and set time or location. During a workout, swipe over to check in. Let your fam know you're safe. Just ensure they use iMessage too. 9. Contact swap magic. Want to exchange contacts like a secret handshake? Fill out your details and contacts in your profile on iPhone. Then on your watch, go to Settings, General, AirDrop, and start sharing by bringing devices together. Now just bring your watch close to theirs, tap Share, and bam! Digital business card magic. 10th, instant translations. Feeling lost in translation? Simply launch the Translate app on your watch, choose your desired language, and begin speaking. Experience seamless, instant translations directly from your wrist. No need for your phone. So, which feature just blew your mind? Drop it in the comments. And hit that like button, subscribe, and may your Apple